Time to fix the Lexus. What up, guys? We're back with the IS. She's been in this garage for a little too long now. I had a tire blowout with my one-wheel-peelin. This car didn't come with a LSD, so been wanting to do that, and it had a tire blowout, spinning them too much, so I actually upgraded. I had 255s on the rear. These are 275s. Huge difference. A little bit of bulge, but it's fine with me. Had to raise the car up a little bit on the coilover setup to fit it because it was super low. I raised it up in the front over the past couple months too because it was just so low before. Moving that slammed life though. Thought that functioned with power. So yes, I had a tire blowout and yeah, it was pretty scary. So those were 255s on the rear. Like I said, these are 275s. Really want like a wide body or something, but we'll see. So yeah, I got a LSD with some diff fluid. Let's check it out here. So we're gonna be putting this in today. M98. So try to get both of these wheels spinning, get some traction. We'll have some fun. Simply Clean was fun. I didn't get it on video, but raced a Skyline and I'm pretty sure his motor blew up. There was oil everywhere, so yeah, no luck for him, but what up, yo? So yeah, she's been a garage queen lately, but she's back on the road now. I've been trying not to drive it because I don't want to have any other mishaps, and then trying to get this thing on the road too. She's super low. I gotta raise the front up, trying to find some wheels so I don't drive it on. These are the stock IS wheels. They're kind of like my spares though, so found some. We'll see. That'll be another video, but yeah, let's get this LSD in. LSD in. Alright, so this is where we are so far. Got I threw the rear lip on. Match the whole kit, but still gotta get it painted. Got most of the drive shaft bolts out. We got the front two bolts, and then the rear bolts in the back. Only thing is the axles, which these hexes are in there, man. Already, I'll show you guys. Already snapped. Hex drive we had to go get. Look at that. Weak. So, I have to get another one of those. We already went to the store and just bought that. So I didn't have that part, so we'll have to do that, but it's coming along, and like I said, most of it's already out, but bye, open diff. Just, yeah, I don't know, I've been reading stories about stripping these bolts and everything out, so I probably gotta remove my exhaust so I can get to this side easier. Thanks. Thanks, Mr. Airplane. This is crazy. But yeah, so no more low life. Oh, she's coming out. Axle bolts were a pain, but Harbor Freight for the win. Impact. That's it, right? She's out. Old. New. Ah. Ba-da, both your wheels spinning. Yee. Just gonna use the factory doughy bushings that are in it. They look pretty good. 98. Alright, so we got the new diff in. Filling it up with the best of the best. Yeah, boy. Super stoked. Everything's tightened up. Just gotta. I don't have a hose to fill the diff with. I should have did it before putting it up, but I didn't. So just gotta go to the store to get that. No more low life. And we'll be good to go. Stay tuned. Get both these wheels spinning finally. Traction, traction. It up. LSD finally in the is300. Finally got some traction, some meatier tires. Finished the lip kit, just got to get that painted and she'll be good to go. You're next, buddy. Tiny, the Lexus is done. We got traction. Are you happy? You don't care. She don't care. Do you care?
No.
What? Come on.
Okay, yay.
Just a little bit.
Oh, yay.
You just love chocolate.
Peppermint patty.
Oh my god. And chapstick.